Okay guys, so today I'll be doing a video on a Cub Cadet 106 external brake system. This will work for basically all Cub Cadets with external brakes. They're all very similar throughout the model years. I'll also be installing the complete system on the tractor itself with all the linkages that go to the foot pedal, brake pedal. I'll be using the original brake pads. They were in good shape, so I just resurfaced them, cleaned them up, painted them. They still have good material on them. And this is what the brake assembly will look like once it's all complete, put back together. These brake assemblies call for a, let me see, about a 3-inch bolt, which I don't have anymore, so I'll be using this longer bolt just for now until I can get smaller, shorter ones. It's a 3/8 bolt. No big deal until now. Okay. So first step, get your bolt, get your washers. Be installing through there, like so. After that, take your spacers, slide them over, also with your springs, slide those over. It's pretty simple install. You take your other brake pad, drop it down like that. You want to make sure it slides over your spacer smoothly, like so. Okay. And you take the bracket, just like this one. Install it like that. Next step is take this backing plate and your brake lever. This is what actually pushes against the pads. Slide in there like that. And your jig. This will be like this. Put your other 2 washers on. You can finish, tighten up your bolts. These ones may actually be a little bit too long, like I said. next step will be to install them on the tractor, which I'll show you shortly. This is the tractor I'll be installing the brake system on. First thing I'll be doing is installing the linkage that attaches to the transmission housing underneath. Just this rod and these cast iron pieces that are attached with roll pins. So first thing I'll do install one side just to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so I decided to install the center section first, since it has to be slid through all the way. I have all the linkage done on the lower section. It's kind of hard to film, so sorry about that. But just these 3 cast iron brackets. I used roll pins, that's how I originally did it. They're 1/4 inch. You could use 1/4 inch bolts if you wanted to. That's how that works. And the next step, to install both the calipers. That's one of them. It just has this bracket down here. It just clamps it. Then after that, you would grab one of the linkages that actually pulls on the brakes. You can just slide it through this hole right here on those cast iron brackets, and you would just drop it down in. And you can adjust it with your bolt right here. After that, we'll install the brake pedal, clutch pedal. With these, I just use little clips instead of collar keys, just so you can adjust it fast and easy. That's how that is. And you just install your brake, clutch pedal. Can't install it all the way because this has to go in the center between the 2 supports on both sides of the frame. So we'll do that next. So now we have the clutch pedal in, the cast iron bracket, and here's the linkage. And this is installed with a roll pin, and the roll pin goes right here to stop the pedal from coming out. That's how it works. So that's a complete install. The Cub Cadet external brake system. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.